A parrot? What? My goodness. She missed the football catch, but that's okay. That block out the sun. Hey, what's up, man?
Bro,
what's up? Hey.
Yeah, man.
Oh man, you didn't have to. Where are you from?
New York.
New Yorker too?
Mm-hmm. Yep. Been a long time though.
Oh man.
I've been watching a while. So.
All right, you like it down here?
Oh yeah, it's sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
All right.
It's a far cry from back home.
Yep.
Yep.
I love you. I love your groove, man, with the skateboard and everything.
I told you.
Take it easy.
Yep.
Oh man. Asking if I could make a bridge wobble. There's a bridge coming up right there in a block. Hey look, I made the bridge wobble without even doing anything. It went up by itself. Now I gotta wait for it to go down. See what you did, Mr. Walking Man dude? In Causeway. All right. We'll go right to the middle of the bridge because that has the best chance to make the bridge wobble. So, hey look, it's wobbling and I'm not even jumping. Walking Man dude says the music follows you wherever you go. Here, Walking Man dude, it's wobbling. You want wobble? Here. But now we have this beautiful water fountain in the middle.
Okay?
Oh, hey.
ActionKid,
Yeah, that's me. What's up?
New York miss you, no?
Yeah, New York does miss me. I'll be up there soon.
You're going back, no?
Yeah.
Take care.
Take care. Are we gonna see any kind of birds or wildlife here? Maybe we could see a gator. Everyone wants to see a Florida alligator. Like part of the palm tree. This thing is huge. It came from up here. Man. Kind of looks like a big corn stalk. Man. How flexible is this thing? You know, the material, it feels a little bit like leather a little bit. It's very flexible, even though it's like dried out. I just overheard that group of people back there talking about a Rolls Royce. You know how much money a Rolls Royce car is? Just in like normal conversation. Man, look at this. Tiffany & Co. This is an insane looking building. Look at that statue. And it's huge. Looks like a hotel. Yeah, it is. It's the Colony Hotel. How much is it to spend a night at that hotel? I mean, looks like there is one, but it's not much of one. I ran out of sidewalk. I gotta walk in the road now. Things are getting interesting. Goodness gracious. Man, oh man, oh man. A little bit close here. I think this is it. The Mar-a-Lago, right? Yeah, this is it. This is the main entrance.
Shane.
All right, so here it is. Look at this, United States Secret Service area, restricted area. Prohibited firearms, explosive knives, mace, pepper spray. Yeah, that's Mar-a-Lago. And let's try to see over the fence. That's it. This is Mar-a-Lago. American flag. You got a building over there. Yeah, this must be the expensive building. Let's just continue walking on the curve here. Maybe we'll see something else. Hey! What's up? What? ActionKid? He knew me? Let's run for it. All right. Good, good, good. Google Maps said that you cannot walk over this bridge, but it doesn't stop me from trying. If I can't, I'm calling a taxi. $200,000 to join this club. Is it worth it? I don't find anything interesting about this place, but then again, most of it was fenced off. You couldn't really see what was in there. Mar-a-Lago. $200,000 to join this. Man, if I knew I could have walked from this side to Palm Beach instead of walking on that entire area with no sidewalk, I would have done it. So I need to make my way back up to there. That's downtown West Palm Beach. Look at all the construction here. There's so much construction. Maybe Mar-a-Lago is expanding. Riviera Beach. Also, you have plenty of beach to walk on before you get to the water. It's pretty far from the water side. I've never seen these birds before. What are these? They kind of look like pelicans. They have long beaks. They're very short though. I'll eat most of it. I'll leave the bread for the bird. Not sure if this bird's gonna come or not, or if he even sees it. This bird's just laughing at me now. It's like, hey, your public sub is not good enough for me. Huh, huh, huh. Sounds like it's taunting me. You know who's eating it though? The ants are. Did you see that? It took the whole bread. As soon as I walked away from it, like, oh, I'm snatching that. I love the pink architecture. Reminds me a lot of Boca Raton. This is to improve the quality of the water on the other side, as well as allow ships easier access. Hey! What's up? Oh, why not? Thank you. Yeah.
I live around here.
Okay.
Are you going to go to the pump house?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the easternmost point. Nice to meet you.
Enjoy. The pathway
Okay.
goes all the way west also.
Oh, it does?
It goes all the way west, and then you can get out through the pathway through our town.
All right, sure. Thank you. All right, woo! Easternmost point of Florida. I'm gonna do something and call back home. Ring, 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 ring. Hey, Mom, I'm on the easternmost point of Florida. Can you believe it? This is awesome. Wait. Mom, how come I can't hear you? What's going on? Wait, this is not my phone, it's a banana. Ring, 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 banana phone. So, I would have to say, Singer Island, definitely a hidden gem in Florida. Not as well known as Boca Raton, Delray Beach, Deerfield Beach, I think, but definitely a cool little place with its own charm. Now that I found this walkway through the town, it makes my expectations of this place a lot higher now and a lot more favorable. No other place I've been to had something like this. Cool. Doesn't even feel like I'm in Florida. If I took a picture like this and you saw this tree, you would think I'm in like Southeast Asia with this kind of tree. Yeah, POV HFR looks like I'm in Hawaii also. Yeah, it could pass as Hawaii. Is this even on? Yes, it is. Press selection to view price. How much is Aquafina? $1.75 for Aquafina. I think that's a bit much. How about a Pepsi, 20 ounce? $1.75 for a Pepsi. What? I'd take the Pepsi over the water. It's the same price. How much for Gatorade?
Hello again.
Hey, what's up, man? Let's see. Gatorade. $2 for Gatorade. It's a shame that this didn't continue forever and ever, because I would have loved it. This is the fishing cleaning master. And aren't these birds hungry for some fish now? Walk around here. Abandoned property, yeah. I can tell this boat seems like it's not in serviceable condition.